Hey everyone, this is Sherry from Live Life Be Happy. Just wanted to make a video real quick and show y'all these new orchids that I got from Walmart today for only $10 each. Aren't they beautiful? It's a white one. I think this one's my favorite. Love the coloring on it. But anyway, I just wanted to show y'all what I have found today. So running down to Walmart, get some. They're going quick. Also, I wanted to show you, I've been working on my bromeliads, getting those in order. They were all over the place. I'll try to include a picture and show you what I've done today. But anyhow, if you want to see more of my sunroom jungle, as I call it, just give it a like below, comment, let me know.